Alright, we are taking off in the 70 Corvette here. Get it through the gears. This is just what we consider a really nice driver quality 70 Corvette. Runs and drives out nice, it's got good options. But there are definitely, there's some things you could do if you wanted to take this car to the next level. I'll get this turned around here and we'll drive back the other way, get it through the gears again. Heading back the other direction now. Gets up and goes well, and you see we're already up to 60, 65. Not a whole lot of time there. It's got good power. It's got 300 horsepower. It's the original numbers matching engine. You can see the stampings and everything in our pictures. If you have any additional questions or want to see additional photos or information on this car, you can go to survivor-cars.com. Thanks for watching.